In this video, you will learn about the Discussions Index page and discussion creation. To view the Discussions Index page, click the Discussions link in the course navigation menu. From the Discussions Index page, you can view a list of all discussions in your course. You can filter the list of discussions to view all or unread discussions. You can search for a specific discussion by title or keyword, and you can start a new discussion. You can also manage settings for all discussions in your course by clicking the settings icon, which is this gear right here. When you view a discussion, unread replies are automatically marked as read when you scroll past them. To help you keep track of which posts still need review when you view a discussion, select the manually mark posts as read checkbox. To allow students to begin a new discussion, select the Create Discussions topic checkbox. To allow students to edit and delete their own posts, select the Edit and Delete Their Own Posts checkbox. And to allow students to attach pictures and documents to a discussion post, select the Attach Files to Discussions checkbox. Student settings are automatically checked, so if you wish to disable any of these settings, simply click any of the checkboxes. Click the Save Settings button when you are done. The Discussions Index page is organized into three areas: Pinned Discussions, Discussions, and Closed for Comments. The Pinned section displays a list of discussions that show at the top of a student's discussion page. The Discussions section displays a list of current discussions, with most recently active listed first. The Closed for Comments section displays a list of discussions with expired availability dates and discussions that have been manually closed. To move a discussion from one section or to organize discussions in the Pinned Discussion section, drag and drop it to the preferred location using this mark right here. Click a discussion's options icon to open or close commenting, pin or unpin, duplicate, send the discussion to another instructor, copy the discussion to another course, or to delete a discussion. You can view at-a-glance information for individual discussions. Graded discussions display the assignment icon, which is indicated by a green paper and pencil icon that is usually displayed next to the discussion title. Discussions that require a peer review display a peer review icon, which is usually located here next to unread replies. Dates display for graded discussions and for discussions with assigned to dates, which would usually appear down here. Publish icons indicate the published status of a discussion. If a discussion is published, it will have a green check mark. Discussions that are not published will have this not published mark. Click the subscribe icon to subscribe or unsubscribe to a discussion, which is this little flag right here. You can also view the number of unread and total replies in a discussion, which are indicated right here. To create a new discussion, click the Add Discussion button. From the Discussion Details page, give your discussion a title in the Topic Title field and add directions, media, and other instructional content using the Rich Content Editor. To assign an ungraded discussion to a specific section in your course, click the Post To drop-down menu and type the name of or select a section name from the options that appear. Add an attachment to your discussion by clicking the Browse button and selecting a file from your computer. Select other discussion format options in the Options menu and create a group discussion by selecting the This is a group discussion checkbox. You can create a graded discussion by selecting the Graded checkbox in the Options menu. Next, enter the discussion point value in the Points field and specify how the grade displays in the gradebook in the Display Grade As drop-down menu. You can also specify peer review requirements for your discussion, assign a due date, as well as availability dates for the discussion. You can also assign the discussion to specific sections and students, or differentiate due dates for sections and students within your course. Click the Add button, and in the Assign To field, type or select the section or student name. Then add due date and availability dates. To save your discussion as a draft, click the Save button, or to save changes and make the discussion available to students, click the Save and Publish button. After you save your discussion, you can view the discussion details page, as you can see here. In the discussion details page, you can publish or unpublish the discussion, edit the discussion, view discussion options, search for and filter discussion replies, collapse or expand discussion replies, subscribe or unsubscribe, and reply to the discussion. This concludes this tutorial on discussions. Thank you for watching.